Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane.
Hello everybody, NASCAR Man 73 here, bringing you guys a brand new event. As you can see, we have 9 cars here on this little rack. That's because we're doing a new event called the Gauntlet. So we will have 1 car each video, try and take on each of these cars to try and further its spot from lowest to highest to try and secure itself. And this will just be an event that keeps going till we get bored of it, or until I run out of cars, one of the two. Alright, let's take a look at your current gauntlet holders. We have the ice cream truck. This is actually called Quick Bite. Second lowest, we have the Ford GT LM. Your third lowest, that's Mod Rod. Alright, moving on to row 2. Your lowest in row 2 is Midnight Auto, I think, or Custom Auto. Custom Auto, my bad. Custom Auto. Second one on row 2, that is a 32 Ford Coupe. And then we have Monoposto, which that casting is actually your current King of the Endurance. So you know it's going to be a quick casting. Alright, up here, your third row. These are your top 3. We have 40 something. The Ferrari F40 and the Indy car. Now let's take a look at the Challenger. The Challenger, we have this lowrider 1959 Chevy Impala. You can tell it's 59 because it has the teardrop tail lights. See if we can get into some light, you might be able to see it. Ignore the mess we've been trying to clean. You guys can see that. Teardrop tail lights. Easiest way to tell on whether it's a 59 Chevy Impala. So the Challenger will always go in lane 5, and the Defender will always go in lane 6. And obviously the thing is turned on, so we're good. On your marks, get set, go. For one and done. Lane 6 gets it.
Lane 6.
Quick end for the Chevy Impala. Very quick end. Actually, no. I need watch time. We'll do a best 2 out of 3, and instead of them being in confirmed lanes, we'll swap them. Alright, we'll do a first of 3 wins, kind of like how we do for the Kings. Oh, the Impala gets it that time. I think it might just be on whoever's in lane 6. Whoever's in lane 6 might just get the better jump. Oh, that's 2 wins for the Impala. 1 more win. And the Impala takes down the ice cream truck, the Quick Bite.
Winner, lane 6.
Quick Bite, say goodbye. The Impala makes its way officially onto the Gauntlet board. Its next opponent, the Ford GT LM. Marks, set, go. Oh, the GT gets the first one.
Lane 6.
He needs 2 more. Marks, get set, go. Oh wow, Impala out to a big jump there.
Lane 6.
Insane. We'll swap them. Tie game right now. Marks, set, go. Oh, this one's just gonna be at whoever's in lane 6. Match point for the Ford GT. See if it can go to sudden death. And it's not gonna happen.
Lane 5.
The 59 Impala does get the last spot on the Gauntlet board. So here's a current look at your Gauntlet. Actually, let's go ahead and we'll do 2 per video. We'll do 2 per video. I've had this one sitting off to the side. This one is a 1961 Chevy Impala. You can tell because it's got 3 tail lights and no tail fins. Kind of the easiest way to tell. And it's gonna take on its predecessor. It'll be, I guess, kind of the grandfather. Not first generation, but another Impala. First 3 wins. Marks, set, go.
Winner, lane 6.
1 win for the 59. See if the 60 can tie it up here. The 61, I mean. Oh. Match point for the 59. If you know what movie this Impala, this 61 is from, leave a comment down below, and if you are correct, you'll get a heart. Because I'm too poor to send people money. So you'll get a heart if you can guess correctly what movie this car is from. This is a movie car. Alright. Smash point for the Impala. The 59 Impala. See if the 61 can do it. Not able to.
Winner, lane
Quick
6.
end to the 61 as he gets. How in the world did I manage to do that? Huh. I'm a wizard. Alright. There we go. So there's a look at your Gauntlet after 2 races. So yeah. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. And if this video can get 10 likes, I will do a full building tour. Because I know I've got some signs up now. Also, you guys haven't quite seen everything that there is to see in here. It's in the process of, like I said, getting cleaned up. So, yeah, 10 likes, and I'll do a full recording area tour, building tour. So yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, button, subscribe, leave a comment. That being said, hey guys, this will be NASCAR Man 73 signing off with your Gauntlet field.